It's a dynamic duo. Come across the rooftops, they find the mayor. Or do they?
Mayor? Hey, is this the mayor?
No.
Oh, crap. Oh. Poopy. No!
You'll never find them.
Where?
I can just say that one packet into your computer right now.
Let's go. Let's take him to our lair.
Stop it, Goggle Man. Your time is up. It's too late. Got the thing to end the world.
Stop him. No. He's too powerful. We need to do this together.
Now, where's the rest of you? Oh, there's only one more. He's more powerful than me.
Sure he is. Where's the rest of you?
Alright, he's in the children's lot in downtown London.
Bull crap. Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
I am. Leave him alone. He's good. Now, just kill me. Okay, alright.
Now, let's go. Where is he? Oh no, let's go check.
Right here, boy.
Here's a coin. Keep the change, you filthy animal. What's this?
Come on, get you.
Is that it? We did it! We did it! We did it! Hooray! We stopped Goggle Master and in his terrorists. We did it! We did it!
Wait. My radar's going off. There's a bomb in this room.
Beep, 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 beep.
Look, super nerd! It's a bomb!
To be continued.